You know how idioms, when taken in a literal sense, can sound a bit odd or funny? Like, for example, take hold your horses. Like, who in the right mind would hold horses? Like, they're too huge for any human to hold. But if you think about it, the idiom actually comes from back in the days when we used to ride a lot of horses instead of vehicles. We used to ride horses, okay, and they have reins. So you hold the reins to like stop the horse from moving. So that's what that idiom is referring to. The act of pulling the reins and like holding the horses. When we don't know the connection to that, when we hear the idiom by itself, it sounds odd. Like, holding horses sounds odd. Just like that, there are a bunch of idioms which sound extremely funny. So last day when I was going through Twitter, I found some funny pictures of idioms. Yes, pictures of idioms. Pictures that literally show idioms. And I want to show some of those to you guys. Like this one. And this one. And this one. Let me know in the comment section if you guys figured out which idioms these pictures are referring to.